Chapter 3, Pair of linear equations in two variables. Coming to exercise 3.5, concept. Cross multiplication method. The cross multiplication method is more algebraic method to solve a pair of linear equations, which for many reasons is a very useful method of solving these equations. Let us consider it stepwise. So cross multiplication method is a more algebraic method to solve a pair of linear equations. So stepwise we are going to see now. So step 1, write the given equations in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. First step, what we have to write? We have to write in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and the equations a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Second step, taking the help of the diagram below, we can easily remember the equation. So we have to write the given equations in this form. So how it is? First x, y and 1. So b, c, a and then again b. So b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2 and again b1, b2. So from the above diagram, we can remember the below formula. X by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 equals to Y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1. That implies 1 by A1 B 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So to find X and Y, we need to have this one. X by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 equals to Y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 equals to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Step 3. Find X and Y provided A1 B2 minus A2 B1 should not be, then it is unique solution. When A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2, then there are infinite solutions. When A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2, then there is no solution. Question number 1. Which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. Using cross multiplication method, we are going to get the solutions for the following problems. First one, x minus 3y minus 3 equals to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals to 0. Coming to the solution. Given equations are x minus 3y minus 3 equals to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals to 0. And comparing these equations first of all with the a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So on comparing, we will get a1 value, b1 value, c1 and a2, b2, c2. So comparing, a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equals to 1 by 3, c1 by c2 equals to 3 by 2. So a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. So if the condition is like this, the pair of linear equations has no solution. If it is no solution, we are not going to find the solution for the two linear equations. Coming to the second one. So given equations are 2x plus y minus 5 equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. So we have to compare these two linear equations with the a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. It implies a1 equals to 2, b1 equals to 1, c1 equals to minus 5 and a2 equals to 3, b2 equals to 2, c2 equals to minus 8. So on comparing a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. So a1 by a2 is how much? 2 by 3 and b1 by b2 1 by 2. So both are not equal. So implies that the pair of linear equations has unique solution. So it has unique solution. We need to calculate that unique solution. How we can calculate? By using cross multiplication method. So first we will write b1 by b2, c1 by c2, a1 by a2, next b1 by b2. Like this we have to write the diagram. So it implies, so 1 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5, y by minus 5 into 3 minus minus 8 into 2, again 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. So what we will get? X by 2 equals to y by 1 implies 1 by 1. So x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Hence the solution of given linear equation is x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Coming to third one. Given equations are 3x minus 5y minus 20 equals to 0 and 6x minus 10y minus 40 equals to 0. And comparing these two equations, first of all we need to compare with these two equations with what? With a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. It implies a1 equals to 3, b1 equals to minus 5, c1 equals to minus 20 and a2 equals to 6, b2 equals to minus 10 and c2 equals to minus 40. On comparing, so a1 by a2 equals to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2, again minus 5 by 10 will be 1 by 2. c1 by c2 minus 20 by minus 40 will become 1 by 2. Hence all are equal. a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. The pair of linear equations has infinite solutions. So next one is fourth one. Given equations are x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 equals to 0. So these two equations are given for us. So first of all we need to compare these two equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. It implies a1 equals to 1, b1 equals to minus 3, c1 equals to minus 7, a2 equals to 3, b2 equals to minus 3, c2 equals to minus 15. a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 minus 3 by minus 3, that implies 1. So a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. It implies that the pair of linear equations has unique solution. So unique solution, how can we get? By using cross multiplication. First of all, we need to write b, c, a, b. So b1, b2, c1, c1, c2, a1, a2, again b1, b2. So x by 3 into 50 minus minus 3 into minus 7, that implies y by minus 7 into 3 minus minus 15 into 1 equals to 1 by 1 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3. So x by 24 equals to y by minus 6 equals to 1 by 6. So hence x equals to 4. So how x will get? X by 24 equals to 1 by 6. So 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja. So x equals to 4 and y equals to minus 1. Hence the solution for given linear equation is x equals to 4 and y equals to 1. So with this we finish question number 1. Friends, if you like this channel, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comment upon it. Okay, thank you.